In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post an autoplay video on your Instagram story. Okay, so the first thing to take note of when you want to post an autoplay video onto your Instagram story is that the video needs to either be an IGTV video or an Instagram Reels. If you try and repost a regular video that you see on Instagram, it's not going to have that autoplay feature on the story. So if I just scroll down and I find either an IGTV or an Instagram Reel, so here is, that's not one, here is an Instagram Reels. So what I would need to do is go ahead and you can see underneath the post, it has the like button, the comment button, and then the share button. Go ahead and tap on the share button. And then what you want to do is tap on add reel to your story. And now you can see that the Instagram Reels video is auto playing, and I can go ahead and resize it. I can move it around if I want. You can go ahead and add some text if you would like to do that. And you can fully customize it just like you would do a regular story, but this would be the process of how to repost an autoplay video on Instagram story. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.